this video we are gonna see that how can we convert a colored live feed, any image or any pre-recorded video into black and white with the help of OpenCV library by coding in Python. So now before beginning, let me give you guys a brief intro of what OpenCV is. OpenCV Python is a library of Python bindings that is designed to solve real-time computer vision problems. Now, what we are doing here isn't even scratching off the surface of what actually OpenCV is capable of. Basically, it could do shape detection, color detection, face detection, and even it could detect the facial features. And on the basis of that, it could identify which person is whom. And on the basis of that, we could do many more things like detecting the number plate of a car and many more things. So right now, we will just see how could we convert a colored image or video into black and white with the help of it. Now let's begin with it. First of all, let's see how we can install it. Like any other library, what we have to type is pip3 install opencv hyphen python. Now as it was pre-installed, we could see requirement already satisfied. Now let's begin with the coding part. First of all, let's import cv2 as cv. cv2 is the computer vision 2 library. Now let's make a function def beanw, that is the black and white, and in this function, first of all, let's read it. Cap equal to cv dot video capture 0. Now what this line does is it captures the video source, and 0 is the video source for our default webcam, so it will use my live feed. Now after capturing our video source, let's start an infinite while loop. Now underscore comma frame equals cap dot read. This will read data from our captured video source, that is the webcam. Now the first variable, that is underscore, we don't really care about that. The actual image frame by frame we are reading the video will be stored in the variable frame. Now let's convert this frame into gray color. Gray equal to cv dot cvt convert color. Now first of all we have to describe the source of it, that is the frame. Then we have to specify cv dot the function that will be used to convert it into gray. So bgr stands for blue green red. Now this function cv dot color underscore bgr to gray will convert this frame into black and white. Now after converting that, let's resize our frame. Frame equal to cv dot resize, and in the source again frame only, bracket. In the now in the bracket we have to specify the dimensions. First of all width, let's take the width 600, then the height, let's take it 450. Let's give same dimensions to the gray image of this frame only. cv dot resize, gray is the source, comma 600 dot 450. Now after this, let's display them. cv dot imshow. Now window name, first of all let's display the original one. So original, that is the frame. After that cv dot imshow. Here let's display the black and white bnw, that is the gray one. Now after that we will have to give a wait key. I will explain what that means. cv dot wait, k should be capital. Now in the bracket let's give the time to be like 1 millisecond. Now basically wait key waits for a key press event, and it waits for a time that we specify in the bracket. So as I wrote 1, it will wait for 1 millisecond for a key press event, and it will return the ASCII value of that key press. And if we don't press any key, then it will return -1 after that time in milliseconds is over. Now the thing is, if I would have typed 0 in here, then it would indefinitely wait for like infinite time and it won't close the image. Now it will wait for 1 second. Now what will happen is for each frame it will wait for 1 second, and what we are doing is displaying all the frames of the video of the live feed. So basically we are gonna see the entire video frame by frame converted from colored to black and white. And whenever we press, now we are gonna make a condition check that as soon as I press escape key. Now what 27 is the ASCII character of our escape key. So as soon as I press escape key, what it will do is break out of the infinite while loop. So now it will stop. Now after coming out of the while loop, what we have to do is cap.release. Let's release the our video source, that is our webcam, and after that cv dot release all windows. Remember, A should be capital and W should be capital. After that, let's call this function bnw. Now let's see if it is working. So yeah, it is working. On the left hand side, it is the original feed, which is displaying frame by frame everything in colored, and the right side is bnw, which is displaying the same frame by frame in black and white. Now it is on each frame, it is waiting for 1 millisecond for me to press the escape key. And if I'm not pressing, it is returning -1. But as soon as now I'm gonna press escape key, it will return ASCII value, that is 27. It will check and it will break the infinite loop, and it won't display anything after that, and it will release the video capture source and will stop displaying. So it is working properly. Now in order to watch more videos like this, you could subscribe to my channel, and other than that you could also find the entire code for this and many other assignments on www.devrush.net, which you will find the link in the description of the video. I hope you subscribe and enjoyed the video. Thank you.